Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to mention that clove oil, you can get it at the Walmart pharmacy. It's not coming in very good. Anyway, if you ever have a toothache, I have a little tiny toothache that's way under my gum line. They tried to fill it and it's now hurting again. But anyway, if you get clove oil, you can put a little bit on your finger and put it on there, and it helps with that. And yesterday I noticed on my vlog when I was showing you the magnet over here, I had a toilet plunger on the table. Well, don't worry, it was clean. It was just for the basement, so I just wanted to clear that up. Another thing I did today is I had extra plates I was going to just store away because I don't use them. But I thought, well, why not just put them up there for decoration? What do you think? Does that look okay? I don't know, maybe it's too busy. I'm going to leave them up there for now, and then I have another project to show you. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this shower curtain. I've had it for a couple years, and I've already started to take it down, but we don't need the liner because I put the doors in. When I get it back put up there, I got it all done. It's nothing fancy, but it whitens it up bright in here, and it'll do. Nice white makes everything look bright. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce that. Neuchtel cheese. The only difference is it has a little bit more moisture and is lower in calories, but I'm used to the original. But anyway, here is my pie graham cracker crust, and the recipe is right on the back, and it's a no bake, so I'm going to give it a try. All right, I have all my ingredients together. So I got the 12 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of powdered sugar, pure vanilla extract, and 3/4 cups of sour cream. And now it's time to fluff it all up. I whipped it up really good. I put it into the 9-inch crust, and later you're supposed to refrigerate it for 1 hour, and then I'm going to put some of this pie filling on it. So I made kind of a little lip around it so the pie filling will stay inside. And then after you cut a slice, I'm going to put whipped cream on top. So, oh my gosh, it took 5 minutes. Yay! If we're not meant to have snacks at midnight, why is there a light in the refrigerator? Okay, the pie has been in the refrigerator for about an hour, and now it's time to put the cherry filling around the top, and go and ask the husband if he wants a piece of cream cheesecake with a little whipped cream on top. So we'll have to see. It's really hard to find cherries like this in the store right now because they're not in season, I guess. And we'll see what it looks like when I cut it. Let's see if I can do this one-handed or not. Probably not, but it would be fun trying anyway. My husband's still in bed with his bad sciatica nerve pain, so kind of feel sorry for him, but maybe this will cheer him up a little. Sorry about the lighting. Alright, well, there it goes into my pasta dish. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Great, so that was an easy dessert tonight, and I forgot to put whipped cream on his, but I brought some in for him, but I like a little whipped cream on it, and it's probably a little bit too much, but it makes it good. Thanks. Looks like some clouds are forming. We might get a good storm tonight, I'm not sure, but it's really clouding up. Alright, I'm heading over to a local McDonald's. They have any size drink for $1, so I'm going to get one of those. And the weather is kind of warm here. I hope we don't have any severe weather on the way. But also on my way out to Menards to get some more of that paint stain, I'm not sure which one, and pick that up, and so I have it on hand for when I'm ready to finish the back porch.
All right, I made it
Thanks
back
for
home.
watching.
I had to dodge a couple tornadoes, but other than that, I made it home safe, and I got my porch and floor paint and primer. It's Battleship Gray, and it's well, it says interior or exterior, and it's called Battleship Gray. So at least I'll have it on hand.
All right, tonight I'm making a turkey lasagna with a special sauce of just milk, butter, and flour with some salt and pepper. And then I put in some of this chive and onion sour cream, mixed everything together with a little bit of cheese, and then layered it in the pan with noodles. So it turned out pretty good.
Noodles.
All right, the lasagna was in there for about 30 minutes. I had to add a little bit of milk on the, so it wouldn't burn, but other than that, it turned out good.